While those who survived the September 11th terrorist attacks at the World Trade Center rushed out, New York City's finest rushed in. Many did not make it. That's why Martin County fire rescue worker Heather Crary is proud to be reminded of these brave men and women every time she steps on board this fire engine.
For me, it means that remembering why we do this job. We do this job, you put others in front of yourself. You know that every time you get in that truck that you could potentially not come back. And when you accept this job, you accept that as well.
Heather moved to New York City just 5 days after the World Trade Center attacks to pursue a career with a pharmaceutical company.
And it was just a very difficult time to be there because the whole city was in memorial and everybody was just in shambles. But it was at that time that I first developed an interest in fire rescue because I was helping people and I wanted to do a little bit more.
Now she's a firefighter paramedic with Martin County Fire Rescue. She'll remember the anniversary of the 9/11 attacks by taking part in a 3-day blood drive hosted by her in-laws' law firm, Crary Buchanan.
It was such a sad day, and it's very difficult to celebrate a sad day. The best way to try to celebrate it is to come together and do something meaningful and worthwhile. So one of the best ways to do that is to celebrate a way that we can enrich and enhance other people's lives. And one of the most profound ways that I can think of to have a positive impact on other people's lives is to give the gift of life, which is what they call donating blood, giving the gift of life.
Managing attorney Mike Crary is a multi-gallon donor, and giving the gift of life to others was the first thing he thought to do on September 11th, 2001.
I went over and donated blood, and it turned out that that date was the largest single date, our largest single donation day of blood in the history of blood donating. So it turned out to be a galvanizing event for the community for donating blood, and to commemorate those who lost their lives that day and those who survived as well and needed blood. We wanted to have an annual blood drive.
The biggest tribute we can give to those who lost their life in 9/11 is to continue doing our jobs with honor, is to continue to bring recognition to the sacrifices that have been made and to always keep their memories alive. You can't ever forget about them.
I'm Nancy Gay for Florida's Blood Centers, where local heroes are saving lives.